Hello my dear friends, this video is about the automatic transmission fluid change on a Nissan D40, but it's a little bit more difficult than you suppose because it's much more complicated, okay? There are a lot of videos on the YouTube about the transmission fluid change, and if you want to last long your transmission, you have to do it in a different way, okay? I have great respect for these people who made these videos and took a lot of effort into these videos. But I want to talk about my approach. It's a little bit different, okay? First of all, you cannot do this on the fly. You have to you need information first. Also, it's good when you have exact information about your transmission, how it's built, and you need you need a blueprint about the valve body and about all the components, okay? It's not difficult to find this stuff. I will help you, and I will make a video about this in very detail. It will be the most detailed video about transmission fluid change on a Nissan D40, okay? First of all, I'm going to tell you what is the approach, what are the steps that you have to do, okay? Very fast and easily, okay? First, on the Nissan D40, ATF drain bolt. Open it, let the fluid drain out, okay? Then demount the ATF oil pan. Then clean the pan and the magnets. Then demount the valve body. Then, when you have the valve body in front of you, demount the ATF fluid filter on the valve body, and you have to change it. You will make this later. You will install a new filter, okay? This filter is not very expensive, and it is very easy to mount it, okay? Then, when you have the valve body in front of you, demount the solenoid body. It's a body where all the electric components are installed on. It's on top of the valve body. Demount it, clean it with electronic cleaner. You can demount the solenoids and clean them separately. Then open the valve body, clean it inside, take apart valves and clean them. You can use brake cleaner for it. You have a separator plate between the two halves of the valve body. Also clean the separator plate. You will find a lot of dirty debris inside the valve body, and this debris is affecting the working of the valves. So that is why it is so important to take it apart. You can change the oil of the transmission. It won't help you. You have to open the valve body and clean all the valves separately in order to get rid of the dirt that is inside. This dirt is produced by the clutch plates. Also, by time oil gets old and it is not the same as before, okay? Then next step, mount the valve body back on top of the transmission with a new filter on it. Install the pan with a new gasket. Use a new gasket. It's not expensive, just use a new gasket. Fill new oil. Fill new oil into the transmission and use original Nissan Matic S oil. Check the level and you're good to go. These are the steps how to make the perfect transmission oil change. I would do this every 40 to 50,000 kilometers, and between this, just one oil change without taking the transmission oil pan off. Okay, so oil change every 20 to 25,000 kilometers, and detailed cleaning of the valve body and demounting every 40 to 50,000 kilometers. If you do it like this, it will give your transmission a long life. And I will make a detailed video about this. There are a lot of details, but this info was just general info now. I will make a video with all the steps, and see you soon, my friends. Bye bye.